Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Ninjas. Today we're talking about something every single crypto investor wants to know: how to make money in crypto for free. That's right, not trading, not gambling on meme coins, not taking unnecessary risks, but actual, legit ways to earn money in crypto with zero upfront investment or at least very minimal cost. I'll walk you through 5 powerful methods, and by the end of this video, you'll see that if you're willing to put in some time and effort, you can actually build a steady income stream in crypto without risking thousands of dollars. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Crypto Ninjas, and use our Binance referral code on the screen for 20% off trading fees and a $100 bonus. Let's jump right in. Method 1: finding a job in crypto. One of the most overlooked but most stable ways to make money in crypto is actually working in the industry. That is, if you don't already have a job. Crypto is not just trading and tokens, it's a full on industry with startups, big companies, DAOs, and communities constantly looking for talent. If you can write, if you can manage communities, if you're active on Twitter, or what we now call X, then you can absolutely land a part time or even full time job in crypto. Here's how I would start. Step 1: create and optimize your X account. Post valuable content about crypto daily. It can be summaries of news, memes, analysis, or even just documenting your own journey. Then start applying for entry level roles like community moderator, content writer, or Discord mod. These roles don't require deep technical expertise, just good communication, consistency, and genuine interest in the space. As you grow, you can move up to higher paying roles like ambassador, community lead, or even marketing roles with DAOs. Pay range from around $300 a month for small roles all the way to several $1,000s for full time positions. And the best part is, it's remote, it's flexible, and you're getting paid in crypto while learning about the industry every single day. If you're working for new projects that haven't had tokens yet, they might consider paying you a certain token allocation later. You can evaluate if it's worth spending the next 6 months to a year working for free or not. Who knows? If the project is great, then your allocation might be worth tens of thousands of dollars. Method 2: airdrops, especially testnet airdrops. Why testnets? Because they're completely free. You don't need to spend real money or pay expensive gas fees. Instead, you use free testnet tokens to try out new blockchain networks. And projects love rewarding early testers. Well, at least some of them. Some of the biggest airdrops in history, like Sui, Berachain, Movement, made people thousands of dollars just for testing and being active in the early days. In 2025, some of the most promising testnet airdrops to look out for include Monad, Zama, and Anoma. These projects are all in their testnet phases and are highly likely to airdrop to their early contributors. But here's the important part: don't just click buttons on the testnet, also be active in their Discord servers, engage with the community, help onboard other people, and share your experiences on X. Many projects now reward social activity almost as much as testnet activity or even more. So simply posting contents and helping others can earn you free tokens later. Method 3: be a yapper on Kaido. This one's fun. Ever heard of Kaido? It's like an AI powered crypto platform that rewards you just for being active, literally yapping, chatting, sharing insights, and engaging with the community. Kaido gives users incentives to contribute content and keep the ecosystem alive. So, if you're already someone who spends hours posting crypto online, why not get paid for it? Most projects allocate a portion of their tokens to top Kaido yappers. It's not easily achievable, obviously, but if you find your niche, make connections with great people on X, then you will eventually get there. Method 4: join giveaways and AMAs. Another classic but underrated method is joining giveaways and AMA sessions. Now, I know what you're thinking. Giveaways are full of bots. I never win anything. And yes, it's true, giveaways are competitive. But if you do it right, you can still win. I've hosted hundreds of AMA sessions and giveaways myself, and I've seen people earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars just by being consistent. Here are my tips. First, invest in a verified account on X or Discord. It'll cost you around $20 a month, but it makes your account stand out and increases your chances of being selected. Second, always follow the rules. Don't try to outsmart the system with fake accounts or spam. Third, when you're in AMAs, focus on asking good, thoughtful questions. Hosts often reward participants who bring insightful questions instead of spamming random words. For giveaways, yes, it's partly luck, but again, if you're consistent and if you engage as a genuine community member, you'll be noticed. Many admins actually give preference to active members they've seen around before. And don't forget competitions. Whether it's meme contests, trading competitions, or content creation challenges, these can sometimes pay out more than just sitting in a regular AMA. Method 5, Binance Alpha. Finally, let's talk about Binance Alpha. This is a relatively new feature from Binance, and it's a super underrated way to earn. Here's how it works. You can start with as little as $100. By using alpha tokens and maximizing points, after 15 days, you can make around $30 to $40. That's a return of 30 to 40% in just 2 weeks, which is insane compared to traditional finance. Of course, this requires you to understand how alpha points work, and it's not completely free since you do need some starting capital, but compared to trading, it's low risk and much easier for beginners. Check out this full guide video on Binance Alpha to learn everything there is to know about how to make money with Binance Alpha. So let's wrap this up. The 5 best ways to make money in crypto for free are finding a job in crypto and building your career step by step, hunting testnet airdrops like Monad, Zama, and Anoma, becoming a yapper on Kaido, joining giveaways, AMAs, and competitions strategically, using Binance Alpha to grow your capital with relatively low effort. If you diversify your approach and use these free methods, you'll have money flowing in even during a bear market. That's it for today's video. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below sharing which of these methods you're going to try first. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to CryptoNinjas, and use our Binance referral code on the screen for 20% off trading fees and a $100 bonus. Thank you so much for watching. Daily out.